Carlie, are you ready? Carlie, are you ready for 24 hours in box 4 to jail? You get to live in this beautiful state-of-the-art box 4 jail. Mom, it has a lid. Mom, it has a floor.
This is not technically a box 4 jail, only because it's not originally a box 4 jail. It was a box for my...
This one is so much better. Like, look at it. Like, you're going to be in there, and there's no floor. You won't be able to slide it across the floor.
Mom, this box 4 jail is from my dresser. So it's not technically a box for jail.
It is what I say it is. And let me see your bag. There's no poppets in there?
No.
No?
No.
Telling lies?
No.
All right, let me see your bag. Time for an inspection.
I'm taking everything out.
I don't need to do a full. I'm just going to peek in here. What are those?
What? Blind bags?
Okay. Oh, wait. Are there any poppets inside of here?
No. This is this food mini brand.
Okay. What else do you have?
That's about it.
Descendants dolls.
And I have a piano to play.
You mean a piano to torture me with?
Are you going to be sitting outside the jail?
Yes, I am the guard.
This is going to be fun. I learned how to play Happy Birthday and This Land Is Your Land and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and Jingle Bells. I'm going to play them all 10,000 times. Oh, Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb.
All right, well. Oh, and thank you for wearing your prison jumpsuit.
I really had no choice.
That is true. Show the back of it. Jailbird. That is
Watch
my
out,
daughter.
watch out.
My daughter, the jailbird. You make your mom so proud.
Thanks.
Hop in. There's only one way in, one way out. You will not get past me. I'm handing you your camera so you can...
by the way, can you get me one of the couch pillows?
I will allow you a pillow, yes. I'm not cruel.
Oh, yeah.
I'll give you this one that's been... Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do you think this is, a hotel?
I'll give you a blind bag.
I don't want a blind bag.
I'll give you a blind bag for a blanket.
I'll give you a blanket.
Yay.
In you go. I will be watching. Just remember.
Mom, the door.
Watching.
The door. Guys, this is really cozy. I like it. Well, she didn't check the side pockets. And I have this pocket. Like, you can pop it. Hopefully it won't make a noise. Ready? Let's do the other side. It's kind of loud. Okay. Anyways, I also have a cupcake. Cupcake one. This is really good. I'm surprised she hasn't seen me yet. Oh, she must be on TikTok or Facebook. I know my mom. Oh, yeah, she didn't check the front pocket. I put fidget toys in. Oh, yeah, these are my new ones. So I have, like, the spring fidget spinner. It's really cool. And then I also got this octopus spinner. It's really cute, and it's like a poppet. Oh, shoot. I'll just not pop it. I'll just say it's a spinner. I just won't pop it. See, it's like an octopus, but it's like a spinner. Oh yeah, and it also has a face on it. And then I got a shark, Simple Dimple. Simple Dimple, not a poppet. And then I also have this Simple Dimple. Hey Mom.
Yeah?
Is a Simple Dimple considered a
I said no fidgets. Do you have a fidget in there?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What do you have in there?
What? What? It's flat.
Is Fred a fidget?
I don't play with him. He's my
Let me
pet.
see.
This is Fred, and he's my pet. He can squish, but I use him as a pet, not a squishy.
Okay.
Fred's a family.
I will allow Fred to
Ohana means family.
Uh-huh.
Kiss him.
Okay. But I got my eye on you.
Okay.
Hmm?
Stop.
I'm watching. You're not up to any funny business, are you?
No.
Did someone fart in here?
Please, Mom. Mom!
Ooh. I'll get something that smells nice. Oh, now it stinks in here.
Can you get me something that doesn't smell?
That was just Phoebe.
I'm doing that to your pillow when I get out.
Oh, you'll be in there for 48 hours. No fart spray in my pillow. No, it's not that bad.
Gucci perfume?
No, it's the essence of Norway in
Can I see?
Epcot.
Thank you for that.
Now it smells like an old lady farted. That's my old lady perfume.
Really?
Uh-huh.
It smells good.
Okay, give it back. Give it back.
In
I'll
case
fart spray you again. You want to be fart sprayed?
Let me see.
No! Wait! Ew. Now I gotta go wash
Smell it.
Give me the fart spray. I don't trust you with it. No.
Okay.
No.
I sprayed your hand.
Ew. That's gross. Gross. I'm out of here.
Oh, so you're not going to be a prison guard anymore?
I hope the perfume wears off and it just smells like fart in there.
Mom,
What?
can you get me scissors?
What? Wait, whoa. I don't know if I should be given scissors.
I'll give them right back after.
Oh, it's for that? As long as you don't use it to cut the jail bars out.
I would never do that. Okay, guys. So I'm going to be opening a scary one first. I got Alien. This one looks really creepy. Mom, I have a gift for you. It's a blind bag one. It's a haunted mansion.
What'd you get?
I got Alien.
An alien? There's no aliens.
You
in the-
just keep it, and I'll keep the other one.
Ooh.
Hey! Wait. What is this one? Hey, got an exclusive A1. So, oh, I got the guy playing the piano. The shadow, the ghost playing the piano.
Let me see. Oh,
I got a pineapple if you didn't see. And you can flip it into a sad pineapple. Mom!
yeah? Is your sole purpose just to annoy me with a super cute sad looking pineapple? Really? That's the saddest, cutest pineapple I've ever seen.
Mom, this is how I feel right now. Oh, by the way, your bar's kind of broke.
Yeah, I see that. No funny business.
Wow. I got the happy pineapple now. Mom, would you please let me go?
Yeah.
No. Wow, I forgot I had a piano in here. This is a tight space. Turn the piano on. Is the red light turned on? Oh my gosh, I forgot. Happy birthday. Okay, ready? Happy birthday, dear. Me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh my goodness, Mom.
How's it going, Sqeazy? Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm going in your room. I'm gonna go through your fidgets. I make sure I don't show any of your brand new room. Oh, let's see. Oh, I like this one. This one's nice. Where's the new ones though? Oh, I like this one. There's a lot more fidgets missing. Where's all the poppets too? What?
I'm gonna throw spider.
Did you just say you would stay on Carlie? Carlie? The prisoner has escaped. Sound the sirens. I see you. Get out of the room that we do not show on camera.
Here.
For it is too messy. Back in.
Prison breakout!
Prison breakout?
Ta-ta!
No. Tatas. Okay, fine. I guess I will cut open Fred. Say bye to Fred. We go. I'm not really going to cut open Fred. I'm just trying to get her back. Hopefully Fred's still here for breaking the rules. She's probably smart enough and she probably took Fred with her. That's why when I said I was getting Fred, she did not do anything. Unless Fred is hiding behind the pillow. I have Fred! Fred's about to get cut open.
Wait, let me see.
Say bye to Fred.
Where's Fred?
In my hand. Just kidding, I couldn't find him. Where's your prison suit?
Oh, it's outside.
Is it?
No, I'm just kidding.
Where is it?
It's in the laundry room. But I ditched that.
We'll go back in. No more prison breaks.
You didn't find my stash.
A stash?
Of toys.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Telling lies?
Never.
Okay, hop back in jail. And remember, if I catch you breaking the rules, you're gonna get fart sprayed. All right, back in there. Back in. Does back in mean get out?
Mom, please don't make me go in. It's just terrible. There's not a lot of room.
I'm
to,
not
like,
looking.
sleep in.
I'm not looking at the cute
Please.
pineapple giving me the most pathetic, cutest face ever.
Pathetic.
Why? Try to make the pineapple happy.
Please. We'll be happy when we're out. We'll play with fidget toys.
And what happens if I don't let you out?
We'll play with fidget toys all you want.
What happens if I don't let you out? What is the pineapple gonna do? Oh, we can't resist. Okay, fine. You can get out.
box for tail again.
Okay.
Oh yeah! Whip my hair back. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, bye!